Here we go. Dinosaur. It says it's a 20-minute wait. Dark and scary.
Look at that. Okay, pop quiz. Some dinosaurs. One way for 50 pounds. Elephants you have to have on a scale that have 50 pounds.
Amazing that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaur. How? That's right. But the result is breathtaking. Prehistoric world will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth.
Hey guys, please fill in all the available space up in the front. Please fill in all the available space in the front.
And then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an Iguanadon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tour is designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period. And I can assure you that all Time Rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates. We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanadon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger, extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me. What could go wrong? Have the Iguanadon and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Cearadactylus.
Not our dino. Look at the horns on that guy.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Iguanadon.
Oh, he's eating one.
Raptor.
Not a raptor.
It's serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on! I'm tracking the big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identified. Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian. Whoops.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We gotta move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Oh no, pterodactyl!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep
Keep going, keep going!
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strut.
Evasive maneuver! Right! Left! Right! Left! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnivores.
Abort! Abort!
Iguanadon.
Again! Get them out now!
Accurate.
You made it! Oh, we made it! I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything.